Alright guys, what's up? It's North Bear here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a breaking news effect. So it says live up here, and then it says breaking news, and then you can have some scrolling text at the bottom inside of OBS Studio. I am using OBS Studio, but if you guys are using Streamlabs, then it should work just the same. It should be all the same steps. So first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the Panzoid that I have created for this. It's basically, it just looks like this, right? And it's got some sample text, right? So obviously you want to change that sample text. That's just, if you go under the group of scrolling text, go down, this is the text that you want to change, and just change that to whatever your messages are, and then just go ahead and export that. I would choose either good quality or extreme quality. I think good quality is fine. That's what I've been doing it on, and it's been working great. So let me open back up OBS Studio. So make sure you've done that. I'll put the link in the description. And you're just what you're gonna do is add a new source. This is actually a lot easier than you'd think it would be. So once you've exported it, add a new source by clicking the little plus. You probably want to create a new scene. I've called mine breaking news. And I'm just gonna add a media source. And we're just gonna call that breaking news effect. And then we're going to check local file. What we're going to want to do is click on loop, and then unclick show nothing when playback ends. And if you want, you can slow this down a little bit. I think I'm going to slow it down to 80% just because the text moves kind of fast. So I'll just put it on 80%. And then I'll browse for the file. And I'm just going to choose the one that I exported from Panzoid. And then it's just going to put that. And as you can see, it's doing that. But we have all this green here. So that's not very good because we want to be able to see what's underneath it, right? So what you're going to do is right click on this. And then click on filters. And then go down here to Effect Filters, click the plus, click on Chroma Key. And as you can see, you can now have your breaking news thing. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.